KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you how to make my baked butter chicken legs. Yep, you heard that right, we're doing butter chicken, we're doing it in the oven, a little bit different. Right, first thing I've got is an oven dish, and you can put in a pre-bought sauce. We're not going to do that. We're going to put in 2 teaspoons of garam masala, just like that, and we're going to put in 2 teaspoons worth of ground coriander. Okay, that can go straight in. I'm also going to add in about 2 teaspoons of ginger paste and the equivalent to 3 cloves of garlic. Of course, I'm using my garlic paste. I'm also going to add in about 2 tablespoons worth of white vinegar. That can go straight in. Going to give it that little bit of acidity that we need. I'm also going to add in 4 tablespoons worth of tomato paste concentrate. Alright, you can put that straight in. If you don't want to use that, you could actually use about 1/3 of a cup of just tomato paste, but this concentrate works out great. Give that a little bit of a stir through, just like that. Nice and easy. Now my oven is already sitting at 180 degrees. I'm going to add in about 160 grams worth of yogurt, a good Greek yogurt. That can just go straight in, all like that. Give it another quick stir through, just like I'm doing right there. And the yogurt, again, it's going to give it that nice little bit of an acidity factor. Alright, so stir that through, get all those spices combined, and I'm also going to add in a little bit, well, the equivalent to 4 cardamom pods, which would be bruised, and around about 1/2 teaspoon's worth of ground cinnamon. And I'm also going to add in about 2 teaspoons worth of ground paprika. I'm actually using a hot paprika. If you want to use a normal one, go for it. You can also add in a little bit of chili powder, but being a hot paprika, it's going to just give that the right flavor. About 70 grams worth of butter, because it's butter chicken, and I'm going to use 1.5 medium-sized onions worth, finely chopped. That can all go straight in, just like that. And again, give that all a bit of a stir through. Okay, nice and easy. And if you haven't tried making your own buttered chicken from scratch before, it's not that hard. 400 grams worth of tomato puree. Alright, that is actually diced tomatoes. I've put that in my little chippy chopper, given that a little what for, and it makes the most beautiful passata. Again, get all those flavors combined using a wooden stirring device, just like I'm doing right there. Okay, and the smell is already incredible. When you are finished cooking this, it tastes even better. So I've got around about 6 chicken drumsticks. You could use Maryland cut if you want to. You could even use a spatchcock chicken if you want, but these little chicken legs, they're really inexpensive, and when you find them at half price, it's worth buying, believe me. It only costs you about $3.50 per kilo. Alright, we've given that all a good stir. I've actually let that marinate for about an hour to 2 hours. Right, that goes into the oven, 180 degrees, and we've left that for 20 minutes to start with. We're going to give those a little bit of a turn. Right, make sure we get the sauce all in there, just like that. And it's already smelling amazing. It's going to go back in the oven about 15 minutes or so. Alright, so 15 minutes has gone past. We're giving these another little bit of a turn. We can already tell that this chicken is nearly cooked through. I'm going to add in around about 300 milliliters of cream, just cream bought from your local store, unless you've got a cow and you can actually get the cream off the milk. Give that a quick stir through, back in the oven about another 15 minutes, and it comes out looking like that, a beautiful dark color, nice bubblage. We'll leave that just for a couple of minutes to cool down. Serve that up with the rice of your choice or potato and a couple of little naan breads, just like that. How easy was that? Love to see you try and make this one at home. Thank you so much for watching this video. Really do appreciate it. And if you like this video, hit that like button. Gives me confidence. Should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Don't forget to share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. We're trying to get the name of KP's Kingdom out there. Hit that notifications bell. You'll be notified every time a new video goes up. Please leave a comment. I love reading and I love responding to them. If you want to learn how to take a Indian classic, which really isn't Indian, it's actually English, and put a good twist on it like I have, well, you need to come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. Off to eat my baked butter chicken legs. drumsticks, and I will catch you next time. Bye.